is me Gunjan and welcome to Zoom Style by Myntra End of Reason Sale Game Night. भाई क्रिसमस का वक्त है and we are feeling extra generous, इसलिए आज के गेम शो में हम दे रहे हैं हमारे पार्टिसिपेंट्स को एक चांस to win exciting vouchers to shop till they drop. ये गेम शो है divided into 3 rounds. पहला राउंड है तोल मोल के बोल, दूसरा राउंड है he said, she said और तीसरा राउंड है घूम बराबर घूम. हमने Zoom के व्यूअर्स, सोशल मीडिया फॉलोअर्स और मिंत्रा के शॉपर्स से पूछा What is the wackiest reason they have shopped for? और आज हमारे साथ हैं वो लोग जिनके reasons थे the wackiest of them all. हमारे आज के शो में ना ही सिर्फ contestants but viewers भी. Yes, you viewers who are watching this game show can win exciting prizes too. बस शो देखते रहिए और अपने questions का इंतजार करिए. तो without wasting much time, मिलते हैं हमारे round 1 के shoppers से. Congratulations guys, you actually made it here.
Thank you.
Yes, exciting times. Let's start with introducing yourself and telling us what was your wackiest reason that got you here. Let's start with you.
हाय, मेरा नाम नेहा है और मैं 24 साल की हूँ एंड आई एम इंजीनियर बाय प्रोफेशन और मुझे शॉपिंग करना बहुत ही पसंद है. सोते वक्त तो लाइक मेरी नींद की गोली है शॉपिंग. सो एंड माय वैकियस्ट रीज़न इज़ मैं बहुत ज़्यादा बॉलीवुड को फॉलो करती हूँ. लाइक किसी का भी स्टाइल आया, चाहे सोनम हो, करीना हो, आई जस्ट वांट टू शॉप देयर स्टाइल. दैट्स इट.
Fantastic. Congratulations, you've already made it here. But let's move on to our second contestant.
Hi, my name is Ashish and I am from रायपुर छत्तीसगढ़ और पिछले 6 साल से मैं मुंबई में रह रहा हूँ. आई एम अ मीडिया प्रोफेशनल और गुंजन क्योंकि मीडिया में है तो लेटेस्ट ट्रेंड्स को फॉलो करना ज़रूरी होता है, प्रेजेंटेबल दिखना ज़रूरी होता है, इसलिए मैं काफ़ी ऑनलाइन शॉपिंग करता हूँ और आज मैं बहुत खुश हूँ. और मेरा वेकी रीज़न जो है वो मेरी वाइफ है, इसलिए मैं उनका नाम लेना चाहूँगा क्योंकि वो काफ़ी शॉपिंग करते हैं Myntra.com से और मुझे ऐसा लगता था आई वॉज लाइक हैविंग दिस फियर ऑफ मिसिंग आउट. लगता था कि वो हमेशा अच्छे कपड़े पहनती है, मैं थोड़ा ओल्ड फैशनड हो गया हूँ, तो इस वजह से मैं फिर Myntra पे गया और मैंने देखा कि नेशनल इंटरनेशनल सभी तरह के ब्रांड्स हैं और विद अ डिस्काउंटेड प्राइस. और अब मैं आप देख सकती हैं कि मैं काफ़ी ट्रेंडी हो गया.
क्या बात है, आप एक्चुअली काफ़ी ट्रेंडी हो गए and you know it. I like that. Let's move on to our third contestant.
हाय, माय नेम इज़ नूरी और मैं बॉम्बे से हूँ. मैं 24 इयर्स ओल्ड हूँ और मैं फ़ैशन से इतनी ज़्यादा ऑब्सेस्ड हूँ कि मैंने फ़ैशन को अपना करियर बना लिया. मैं एक फ़ैशन डिज़ाइनर हूँ और मैं पढ़ भी रही हूँ अभी. और सबसे वैकेस्ट चीज़ जो मैंने की है शॉपिंग के टाइम पे, जो मैं हर सीज़न पे करती हूँ, वो ये है कि जब भी सेल होता है मैं ये नहीं देखती कि कौन सा साइज़ मेरा है, कोई भी साइज उठा के मैं खरीद लेती हूँ और फिर अपने लोकल दर्जी से ऑल्टर करा लेती हूँ.
क्या बात है, वाओ. These are great wacky reasons, but ये तो हमने सुन लिया. Let's start with the first game. Are you guys ready?
Yes, बिल्कुल.
Let's do this. All right, guys. तो शुरू करते हैं पहले राउंड के साथ. हमारा फर्स्ट गेम है तोल मोल के बोल. The rules are very simple. स्क्रीन पर आपको एक प्रोडक्ट दिखाया जाएगा. मैं आपको इस प्रोडक्ट का डिटेल डिस्क्रिप्शन दूंगी, जैसे कि नेम, ब्रांड, क्वालिटी, फैब्रिक, कैटेगरी, और आपको सबको अंदाजा लगाना है कि किस प्रोडक्ट का प्राइस क्या है. बट हियर्स द कैच, यू हैव टू गेस द प्रोडक्ट्स डिस्काउंटेड प्राइस. तो शुरू करें?
यस.
बिल्कुल.
बिल्कुल चैलेंजिंग, बट आई थिंक दैट यू 3 कैन टोटली डू इट.
हम करेंगे.
ऑलराइट, लेकिन उससे पहले ऑडियंस, ये रहा आपका पहला तोल मोल का सवाल. आर यू गाइस रेडी? लिसन केयरफुली. ये आपकी स्क्रीन पर है अ पेयर ऑफ पिंक ओपन टो हील्स बाय मैंगो. इसका ओरिजिनल प्राइस है 3,990 रुपए, यानी कि ₹3,990. यू गाइस हैव टू गेस द एंड ऑफ रीजन सेल प्राइस, जो होगा बहुत ही आसान क्योंकि मिंत्रा पर ऑलरेडी प्राइस रिवील हो चुका है. So log on to the Myntra Facebook page or Zoom's Facebook page and comment with the right price. Don't forget to use the hashtag EORS on Zoom and get a chance to win a gift voucher. तो आगे बढ़ते हैं पहले राउंड की तरफ with our participants. Let's have a look at our first product. Are you guys ready?
Yes.
Now you can see that you have these whiteboards.
Yeah.
तीनों अपना प्राइस लिखेंगे. The discounted price you think of is of the first product, and I will tell you to reveal that to me. Yes. Now this is a rose gold Giordano watch, है ना? इसका ओरिजिनल प्राइस है, और somebody is already liking it. Wow. It is a pretty watch. इसका ओरिजिनल प्राइस है ₹7390. Now, what do you think is the discounted price? Neha has already started. She knows what she wants.
Yes.
Ashish, you look very confused.
I'll guess.
You'll guess.
Yes.
It's all about guessing कि भाई क्या हो सकता है discounted price. I mean, it's a great watch. What do you think? Are you ready? Ashish,
Yes.
we're just waiting for you. All right.
मैंने लिख दिया है.
All right. Can we see the boards at the count of 3? 1, 2, 3. Fantastic. Okay. Neha, can you tell me what is your price?
3750.
Okay. Ashish, what's your price?
1500.
यार 7,000 से ऊपर की वॉच है. You're literally coming at 1,500.
हाँ, मुझे लगता है कि मिंत्रा आज शायद इतने में दे देगा ये डील और मैं अपनी वाइफ के लिए लेके जाऊंगा फिर.
बहुत कम है ये.
बहुत
Price
कम है.
Maybe.
Maybe he's hoping for more. What do you think is the price?
I think it's 3,300.
Now both the girls have gone around 3,000. Now 50% तक के करीब डिस्काउंट हो सकता था. But let me tell you what's the right price. The right price is 1478.
Are you? Oh.
मतलब मैं सही हूँ.
Yes, a round of
Yes.
clap for Ashish.
Yes,
I
yes,
know
yes.
both of you are very
I did it.
disappointed.
Well done, well done.
मेरी वाइफ
Well
खुश
done.
हो गई आज.
हाँ, इतनी बाकी बहुत अच्छी करते हो यार.
Thank you.
है ना? Well done, Ashish. Well, you both look really disappointed, but don't worry. We have got some more questions coming up. Let's get started for our second product. Are you guys ready?
Yes. Yeah, ready.
Ashish is like super confident. Abhi
I'm
tak
very
to.
excited.
I can see why. Our next product is Ted Smith's unisex sunglasses. Now these are very cool pair of sunglasses, but iska price hai rupees 4290. I can already hear people like mujhe chahiye. But you guys, are you ready to make your
Yes.
guess? All right, 1, 2, 3, go. Tell me what is the discounted price. All right, turn around. Boards up. Can I have a look? What's with the girls, yaar? You guys have got a whiff ki yaar discount to milega yaar.
हमें शॉपिंग की एक्सपीरियंस ज़्यादा है.
Let's see who's right. You are going. Neha, tell us what's your price?
825.
8 to 5.
1900.
1900 for Ashish. Nuri,
900.
900. Let me tell you what is the correct answer this time. The correct answer is rupees 858
Oh
rupees.
shit.
Yes.
You don't look excited. She's
Yes.
just like, yes, I should have gotten it.
Yes, I'm excited.
Are you?
Yeah, I'm excited to wear that.
Fantastic.
Congratulations.
Chaliye, let's move on to our third product. Neha won, Ashish won. Nuri, you have to
My
catch up.
turn, yes.
You have to catch up. Chaliye, let's talk about the third product we have is a Blackberries printed formal shirt. The original price for this product is rupees 2395. Cool shirts, right? Ashish,
Yeah.
you
Yeah,
look
very-
again.
Indeed.
Indeed.
Yeah.
Nuri, you need to get this right.
Yeah, I hope so.
Right, 2,395 is the original price. Are you guys ready to put down your discounted price?
Yeah, Bill.
Yes.
Chaliye. Ready, guys?
Yes.
All right,
Yes.
let's turn your boards. Fantastic. Neha got
673 rupees.
850.
1100.
I don't know the discounted price. Let me tell you what is the discounted price. And the discounted price is 838 rupees.
Yes. And I'll look good on that.
You're really sharp, है ना?
Yeah.
You were not lying जब तुम बोल रहे थे कि मैं हमेशा मित्रा पे बैठा रहता
मिंत्रा
हूँ.
पे जाता हूँ ना तो मुझे पता है.
No wonder. Nuri,
you so
lots
much.
of catching up to do, but fantastic. Let's move on to our next product. The next exciting product we have is a pair of Adidas original leather sneakers. The original price is rupees 7,999 rupees. Guess the discounted price. Lot of thought. बहुत ही सीरियस माहौल हो चुका है यहाँ पर. ऐसा लग रहा है कि 10th के बोर्ड एग्जाम्स लिखे जा
मैंने
रहे हैं.
गैस कर लिया.
कर लिया आपने?
Come on, ये वाला
Ashish
तो
is
मुझे
just like
जीतना है.
at it.
मिंत्रा पे मतलब शॉपिंग करते रहने से फायदा हो रहा है आज.
आज हो रहा है. Are you guys ready?
Yes, yes.
1, 2, 3, show me your boards. Fantastic. Ashish and Nuri are very close to each other. Let's see who got it right. Neha, yours is
2100.
2100 रुपए. आपका
3200.
3200 रुपए.
3,900.
Fantastic. Did Nuri get it right this time?
I think so, yeah.
You think
Yeah.
so? Let's find out. The discounted price is 3,199 rupees. You actually got it right by the point.
Well,
ये hashtag shopping goals कुछ गड़बड़ी है.
वाइफ का
Do you
कमाल है.
really spend time on Myntra?
Yes.
Are you really a fashion design student?
Seriously,
Yeah.
it's the end of
कुछ
season
पता ही
sale.
नहीं है तुम लोग को डिस्काउंट्स के बारे
ये
में.
ज़्यादा इनको एक्सपीरियंस बहुत ज़्यादा है लगता है.
वाइफ की वजह से.
वाइफ की
Wife
वजह
की
से. आशीष अपना फुल होमवर्क कर आया है. All right, guys, are you ready for the next one?
Yes.
Yes.
Nuri?
Yeah.
Yeah. She's like,
If he was, अगर ये इतना अच्छा नहीं वो कर रहे होते तो मैं शायद जीत रही होती.
नहीं, इस बार आप जीतेंगे.
that's a good point. But don't lose hope. You can still make it. The next product. Ready for it?
Yeah.
Neha is just like, I'm not going to react. I will just give the right answer.
I'm losing.
You're not losing. You're doing better than Nuri at least. Nuri's going to kill me, but you're doing still better. All right, catching up to do. Lots of catching up to do. The next product is right here. This is an all about you suede biker jacket. By the way, did you guys know that ये Deepika Padukone का fashion brand है, which is exclusively available on Myntra.
Amazing.
I can.
जो अभी showcase किया है मिंत्रा ने.
अब तो बनता है आप लोग का जीतना.
क्या बात है? You guys know more than me. All right, the original price for this is 4,499 rupees. Now, what's your guess? Are you guys ready?
Yes.
1, 2, 3, go! I'm excited and nervous for you guys. Please get it right.
I hope I'll win.
देखते हैं इस बार.
Really? Please get it right. Please get it right. All right. Neha, what's your answer?
1200. 1200.
ये jacket 1200 में.
I hope so.
मुझे मिलती ना तो मैं शॉप कर लेती. What's your answer?
1500.
1500. What's your answer?
मैंने लिखा है 2000.
1200, 1500 and 2000. But I really want Nuri to win. Let's find out what is the price of this jacket after the discount. And it is 1,799, which means 1800 rupees. You are winning. She's like, क्या मैं जीती? Finally मैं जीती. Jeet gayo. You guys can keep your boards down now. All right, so you are on 1 point. You are on 1 point now, and Ashish is on 3 points. So a lot of catching up to do, guys. But it's possible. It's possible, right, Neha?
Yes,
Nuri,
yes,
you are in the
definitely.
running now.
Yes, I'm back in the race.
Yeah.
Ashish, very well done. For somebody and not like who said कि भाई मुझे तो fashion के बारे में पता नहीं
नहीं, लेकिन वाइफ की वजह से सब पता चल गया.
ये transformation गजब का है. जो भी हुआ है बहुत ही
Thanks,
गजब का है.
wife.
Guys, तुम दोनों मिलकर इसको competition दे सकते हो चाहो तो. There's still time. There is a lot on stake. We're talking about a gift voucher worth 10,000 rupees with which you can buy any of these things or more from the Myntra app. So, lot on stake.
Amazing.
Amazing. Nuri's like मैंने अभी आ तो गई हूँ मैं अब देखते हैं.
जीतना है थोड़ा सा.
जीतना जल्दी. All right. Here's the next product, and I hope both the girls are now winning. Next up, we have the Swanik Men Off-White and Pink Floral Printed Sherwani right here. What a beautiful Sherwani, yeah.
Yeah.
Quite
It'll look
trendy.
good.
Ashish already knows what will look good on him. I like the
selected
excitement. But I'm sure you might also have somebody in life जिसके लिए आप खरीद सकते हैं. Some excitement उनके लिए.
Yes.
Yeah, my
Boyfriend.
dad.
Your dad. Your boyfriend.
Brother.
Brother. I like how national television पे ऐसी personal information
हम शरीफ लड़कियां हैं.
तो जिनके boyfriend होते हैं वो शरीफ नहीं.
नहीं मतलब टीवी पे ये सब बातें
मम्मी
नहीं
मैं भी
लेकिन मैं बता दूं भाई और डैड से अच्छा ना मुझ पे अच्छा लगेगा. तो you can gift me.
We will see. Ashish, hold your horses. Let's see who gets the price right. Let me tell you कि ये बहुत ही beautiful looking शेरवानी is for 7,000 रुपए. The exact price is ₹6,999. That's the price that's already there. मुझे बताइए, what's the discounted price on Myntra for the end of reason sale? Guys, बहुत ही भारी भरकम discounts हैं. So just go out there, be adventurous, go for it. All right, ready, Nuri?
Yes.
Is this going to be the winning answer?
I hope so.
All right, Ashish, even I want you to win, so don't worry.
Uh-huh.
I am rooting for you, but you know, girl power, so what do I
Yeah.
do? All right, can I have the numbers? Fantastic. Neha, what's your number?
1700. 1700.
ये तुम लोग लड़के के आपस पीछे से कुछ हो रहा है क्या? आशीष तेरे पीछे से बातें हो रही हैं यहाँ पर. तो why do they always have same numbers? What's your number?
2100.
2100 रुपए. What's your number?
1800.
1800 रुपए. It's a very very close thing. 1700 रुपए, 2100 रुपए, 1800 रुपए. Let's see who got it right. All right, the right answer is 2,099 rupees. Oh my God!
Yes.
You don't even get it right. Ashish gets it right by like a rupee.
अरे यार.
I don't know how this is happening.
वो मुझ पे अच्छा लगेगा ना इसलिए ऊपर वाला भी दे रहा है.
You just don't get it right. You get it right to the T. Ashish, what are you doing? पूरे दिन Myntra पे बैठा रहता है तू.
Wife, I told you.
All right, here's to the wife, जिन्होंने बहुत अच्छे से train करके भेजा है. But we have one more question coming up, guys. Please don't lose hope, Noori. Some excitement, कुछ तो दिखा दे. I am rooting for you. I'm rooting for you, Neha. I'm rooting for you also, Ashish. But somebody. 4. What is happening? 4 points. He's on the lead right now, and you guys tell and say कि भाई women spend so much of time on online
Yeah.
shopping. But can you see here, right here?
Actually,
A true fashion
ऐसा
star.
नहीं होता
True
एक्चुअली.
fashionista in his own
मैं भी
words.
बहुत ऑनलाइन शॉपिंग करते हैं.
All right.
I told you.
Like I said, there is lot on stake. 10,000 का गिफ्ट वाउचर है guys. ये एक शेरवानी क्या तुम लोग 5 शेरवानी खरीद सकते हो. Let's go ahead with our next question. Let's take a look. This one is a libas. Please get this right. This is a libas women mustard yellow printed kurta with plazos and dupatta. Ladies wear. Shop for Indian करते हो तुम लोग?
yes.
Yes.
Yeah, suits, kurtas. All right, let me tell you, the price for this one is 2,999. Okay, 3,000 के करीब का ये सूट है. Ashish is already, he's scaring me. I'm just like इसको सब पता है. तेरे को मेरे सारे secrets भी पता है ना life
नहीं,
के?
ऐसा कुछ
I
नहीं
have
है,
a feeling
सोच रहा
he
हूँ.
knows everything. All right, guys, 3,000 का सूट है. What do you think is the discount here? It's the end of reason sale. There is no reason to how much discounts you can get on a product on Myntra.
Yes.
Tell me what is the discounted price? Unthinkable.
This one is tough.
Unbelievable price. What is that?
This one is tough for me.
अच्छा, is it?
Say that it.
मतलब सारी शॉपिंग सब अपने लिए की है. बोलता रहता है बीवी नहीं करवाई, but शॉपिंग अपने लिए हो रही है.
कोशिश करता हूँ.
Are you guys ready?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, let's see your boards now. What's your price?
1425.
1425. What's your price?
1,000.
1,000. What's your price?
720.
Wow, Noori, wow. All right, let's tell you what's the correct price. The correct price is 1,049. Everybody's like stunned. Guys, you won. Again.
1,000?
Oh, 1,049. I thought.
Oh my
1,050 रुपए.
God.
Oh.
यार हद हो गई.
Ashish.
Congratulations.
I would have very, very happy. Ashish makes me happy. What is this? How do you know all of this?
लेकिन क्योंकि आपने बोला था ना वाइफ के लिए शॉपिंग करते नहीं हो. अभी देखो वाइफ का प्रकोप है ये.
काफी प्रकोप है. Congratulations. I mean, you totally deserved it. I don't think. Do you guys both agree with that?
Yes.
Yes.
He's good at what he does. And
Yes, I did it.
Man shops a
you
lot.
did it.
then girls.
I would just say keep shopping. Myntra is the place for you. Congratulations.
Thank you so much.
Congratulations. All right, here's the voucher. 10,000 रुपए का. आशीष आप वहीं खड़े होंगे या यहाँ पर आएंगे भी लेने के लिए? Oh, fantastic! भंगड़ा शंगड़ा and all that. But I have to say this is a very, very well deserved voucher to you. भाई आपकी सारी मेहनत, सारी रातों की shopping काम आई finally.
Thank you.
This is your winning moment. Big round of applause. हमें मिल चुके हैं हमारे फर्स्ट राउंड के विनर एंड आशीष so proudly here standing with his voucher. लेकिन for all my viewers who are watching the show, don't forget कि शुरुआत में मैंने आपसे एक सवाल पूछा था. Let me help you with the product details again. As you must have already seen, there are a pair of pink open-toe heels by Mango, जिसके original price is rupees 3,990. You guys have to guess the end of reason sale price, so don't forget to go to Zoom's Facebook page or Myntra's Facebook page and comment below with your price that you think is the discounted one. Well, don't forget to also use the hashtag #EORS on Zoom and you can win a gift voucher. Wait, here's a hint. Go to the Myntra app and you can find the end of reason sale price. So hurry. Well, thank you so much, you three people, for being such great
Thank you.
contestants, for giving a tough fight to this one. And congratulations again. Welcome back, guys. Here is the big game night happening and round 2 की तैयारी हम कर चुके हैं. Can I please have the contestants now? Welcome. Super excited?
Yep. All set.
All right, so why don't we start with a round of introductions and you tell me what was the wacky reason that got you here? Starting with you.
So hello guys, this is Rajat Tiwari. I am a 23-year-old media professional and I am so glad to be here today. I cannot thank Myntra and their team enough for choosing me amongst all the participants. And you know what, Gunjan, बचपन से ही मेरे अंदर fashion का एक कीड़ा रहा है. And if you open my wardrobe, you'll find like different categories of clothes for parties, office wear, casual wear, gym wear. So I've been obsessed to that level. And even my wackiest reason stems from the very same fact that once so happened कि थोड़े दिन पहले I was on a date, and what happened was it was kind of a last minute plan. So in that panic mode, I really had no clue what to wear, and eventually I got late for the date. And उस दिन से मैंने सोच लिया that I have to make my wardrobe hashtag date ready. So that's my resolution that I have to have. So I hope I win big today. So मैं moonwalk करते हुए आपके पास आऊँ and I collect the winning prize from you and I make my wardrobe date ready.
Wow, what hashtag goes coming up right here. I never thought that hashtag date ready could also be something that will start streaming, but it is. Thank you so much for being here. Can we start with contestant number 2?
Hi, my name is Arpita. I'm 21 years old and I'm working as a freelancer model. And मैं fashion से बहुत ज़्यादा obsessed हूँ, इसलिए I like shopping online and also Instagram पे मुझे OOTD करना बहुत अच्छा लगता है, like celebs. That is the reason that I always shop from Myntra. Thank you.
क्या बात है. OOTD, your
Yeah.
outfit of the day. I have to say that's a very nice outfit of the day already that you have on.
Thank you.
But hope that you can shop for more.
Yeah.
Let's hear out our contestant number 3.
Hi, this is Kinjal. I'm 26 years old. I am an assistant stylist. And you know, Gunjan, because I'm a stylist, I have to keep up with the trends and all. तो बेसिकली सेकेंड एक्चुअली द ट्रू ऑनेस्ट रीज़न ये है कि मुझे बहुत जल्दी मैं प्रोवोक हो जाती हूँ, तो पीपल कैन यू नो ईजीली एंगर मी एंड उसकी वजह से यू नो मुझे कहीं पे तो मेरा गुस्सा निकालना ही होता है. सो व्हाट डू? I go on Myntra and I shop. I don't see the balance. What is there? I just shop. So that thing really gives me a lot of pleasure.
क्या बात है. I hope आपको pleasure किसी और पे गुस्सा निकाल कर नहीं मिलता, यहाँ पर shopping करने से मिलता है. But you know, whatever your reason is to shop, हम भेदभाव नहीं करते. We will get going. And let me tell you, you are here to play game number 2. All right, guys, how excited you are?
Very much.
Nervous भी है थोड़े वैसे.
Nervousness, but nervousness is good. That's what pushes you to actually really
Yeah.
get going. लेकिन ये बता दूं मैं कि गेम नंबर 2 में हम देखेंगे कि आप कितने अच्छे से बॉलीवुड सेलिब्रिटीज को जानते हो. मैंने कुछ फैशनेबल स्टार्स से उनके स्टार सीक्रेट्स पूछे और उनका आंसर आपको गेस करना है और उस आंसर को आपको अपने मिंत्रा विश लिस्ट में डालना है. Keep your phones ready. By the time they do it, let's move on to a question. A question that's for you guys who are watching. Which women's wear brand on Myntra is offering the highest discount? भाई जल्दी से submit your answer with the hashtag EORS on Zoom and submit your answer. Do keep reading the ticker to see if you have won. वैसे बहुत ही simple है इसको आंसर करना. Just log on to the Myntra app and you'll find out the correct answer. And here, let's begin. Are you guys all tuned in on your
yes.
Myntra apps?
Yes, let the games begin.
So let the games begin. Question number 1 coming your way. Are you guys ready?
Yes.
Like you can see, I have Saif Ali Khan on the screen. I have asked him that what would he like to wear for a night out with friends. Quickly type your answers on the Myntra app, search for that look and tell me what do you think. उनको कहना था कि what is his look? What is he that he likes to wear when he goes out for a night out? 1, 2, 3. Are you guys ready?
No.
Okay, Kinjal is. Kinjal definitely knows
I'm going to
what
win.
Saif Ali Khan wears. Are you a Saif Ali Khan fan?
Yeah, definitely. He's Nawab.
Arre, क्या बात है. Are you ready?
Yes.
You are also ready.
I'm
Are
not. I'm not.
you? The girls are already ready. What are you doing? 1, 2,
Just a second.
3. अरे मेरा countdown खत्म हो रहा है. जल्दी.
Okay, done.
All right. Now can we show your phones to the camera quickly for your answers? Can we take a quick look? Quick look and a quick look.
So basically, I picked casual look for him because as far as paparazzi has seen him, captured him, he has always been in his casuals and comfort. So I think he would want to go on his date with casuals.
Nice. That's a good one. What's your answer?
The track pants and a t-shirt because I think this is very much casual and on a night out, like usually people prefer the comfortable things.
Now, this is what Kareena would wear when she's going for a gym night. But let's see if this is what Nawab also wants to wear when he's going out for a movie. What is your answer?
So I've picked something like t-shirt and jeans because जितना मैंने सैफ को देखा है उनके casual outings पर उन्हें बहुत ज़्यादा fancy या बहुत over the top रखना नहीं पसंद है. He likes keeping it classy and simple. So I think this is something that I can see him wearing for a casual night out with friends.
Good enough answers. Neck to neck here, but let's hear what Saif had to say.
So for a night out with my friends, I'd say a t-shirt and jeans.
Woohoo!
So who wins?
Of course you win. You tell me who wins.
No, I think even she had something to do with casual.
But
so
I had the casualty with the
With the shirt over
the
it.
the shirt. Okay, so I
You
will.
kept it like really casual and basic, so 1 point to you.
Thank you.
Right here, let's move on. Are you guys ready?
Yeah.
Yep.
Still in the running, girls? Excited?
Yeah.
Very
Round
much.
1 का winner already एक लड़का था. Let's not repeat that in round 2. Alright?
Yeah.
A lot of
Yeah.
responsibility on you two.
Definitely.
Okay, question number 2. Next we asked Saif Ali Khan what is the item of clothing he wears most often. ज़्यादातर वो इन्हीं कपड़ों में दिखते हैं. क्या लगता है? सैफ को आपने किन कपड़ों में देखा है? Tricky one. I can't remember. Because sometimes I remember कि वो set पे क्या पहनते हैं. Sometimes I remember उन्होंने शादियों में क्या पहना है. I don't see him more, you know, that commonly out there. So, who is a Saif fan? So who is a Saif fan?
I like
I'm
his.
ready.
I like his dressing sense a lot.
You do.
I think I'm ready.
You're ready.
I
Are you
think
ready?
I will
not.
win this round.
All right, guys. The timer is on. Kinjal is already dancing. She's celebrating.
Already.
You think you have the right answer?
Yeah, I definitely see.
Arpita, you
because
are
I've-
ready.
Yeah.
What are you doing? ये ओवर कॉन्फिडेंस कहाँ से आया है कि फर्स्ट राउंड जीत गया हूँ तो सेकंड भी. चलो चलो. 1, 2, 3. The countdown. You're gonna miss it. The clock. It's ticking. We don't have too much time. Rajat, we have Kinjal ready. We have Arpita
I'm done.
ready. You done? Okay. Finally, this one is done. Let's start with you, Kinjal.
Yeah, I have chosen a very smart look that he has always been captured in with the shorts.
Chalo, that's one. A good one. Good try. What do you think he's wearing?
I think normal casual t-shirt, track pants, sunglasses and sports
You
shoes.
really want to see him in track pants for some reason.
Yeah.
That was the idea.
No,
Saif Ali
I
Khan in
saw
track
him.
pants.
I saw him in
Oh,
track
then,
pants.
if you have seen, then I have nothing to say. Like, I'm so sure you're a good Saif fan. What do you have?
So, being true to the Nawab he is, I'm sure he. Everybody knows how lovely Saif is with Indian wear, but like we've seen him in band galas and traditional wear more often. But for a daily casual wear, something that he'll wear mostly, I think a plain simple kurta pajama is
Aren't you
something
the
that.
fashion expert right here?
Yeah, I am, but I've always
I
seen
wonder.
Yeah, but
Okay, let's see
I
who
remember
will
his
find.
airport look once. He had came there
No,
in
no,
a
kurta pajama. I
yeah.
love men kurta
So,
pajamas, but let's see what Saif has to say.
Classic.
The item of clothing I wear the most often is white kurta pajamas. I wear them all day. I wear them to sleep in. That's what I'm most comfortable in an Indian summer.
Why do the men know what they're doing here? How? So आप सिर्फ तैयार हैं आप सवाल नंबर 3 के लिए?
Yes.
Really?
All
Hope so.
set.
हाँ, मुझे तुम दोनों से बहुत ज़्यादा expectations है. Please, amp up your game.
I wish.
सवाल नंबर 3 right here. मैंने जैकलिन फर्नांडिस से पूछा कि भाई वो नाइट आउट पर क्या पहनना पसंद करती हैं. Very simple, right? Okay. We all have a favorite thing to wear on a night out. क्या लगता है उन्होंने क्या बोला होगा? Clock is ticking. Guys, remember? 1, 2, 3.
Done.
Wow, Rajat,
True
you
Jacqueline fan in the house.
One second.
आप सैफ के भी फैन हैं, आप जैकलिन के भी फैन हैं, ऐसे कैसे? अर्पिता, what's happening?
Yeah. Wait.
I'm waiting. Okay. इंतजार. किंजल का भी हो गया?
I'm done.
अर्पिता, 1,
Yeah.
2, 3. Tell me it's done.
Yeah, done.
Done. Yay. All right. Let's start with Kinjal.
Okay, so I've chosen this flary maxi skirt, and I think she would keep it more casual. And she is like the cutest girl who want to be so casual, and yet she looks so elegant. So I've chosen this look for her.
Very cute look. What do you think she would be
A
wearing?
maxi dress and sneakers.
Interesting. I would like to wear that. But is Jacqueline wearing that? What do you think she's wearing?
I think she'd go with something which is more free-flowing and more comfortable, like a floral dress, maybe.
तीनों इस बात पे तो agree करते हैं that she is not wearing something hyper.
Nothing
something,
too skin tight,
no
nothing
skin-
too, yeah, no, yeah.
Skin
Nothing-
tight and all.
nothing
He
like-
knows
nothing
all
like
of it. चलिए जानते हैं what did Jacqueline say?
I think like jeans and stilettos and like a nice like shirt is really nice to wear. It's comfortable.
She would wear something comfortable, but looks like कि comfort की definition उनकी और हमारी थोड़ी different है. Nobody chose anything close to jeans or high heels. But good try. Good try. चलिए सवाल नंबर 4 and मैंने पूछा आलिया से. And who's the Alia fan here in the house?
Everyone.
Oh, everyone.
Yes.
Are you?
Not it.
Guys, hope right here. So मैंने आलिया से पूछा कि what would she pick? Leather या lace? Quickly add your guesses to the wish list and tell me what is it that Alia must have chosen. Is she one of those rough and tough people? जिसने leather choose किया होगा? or you think that she is a lacy kind of a person? Girly, dreamy, dressy. What do you think? Quick, countdown, rushing. 1, 2, 3. Done. Kinjal is done.
Done.
Rajat is done.
Yeah, done.
Fantastic. Let's start with you.
Leather jacket.
Okay, very precise. I love it.
I have chosen the same. I feel leather jacket.
Next to like, is it going to be a tie?
Yeah,
What's your answer?
Same. Leather jacket. I think,
Oh my
yeah.
God.
Same thing.
That's the first. All three. I would have actually never chosen a leather. मुझे ऐसा लगता है that Alia जैसी actor probably she must have chosen a lace. But let's see what Alia has to say.
Leather, you have to have a super fit body. So I don't think I really have that right now. So lace.
All three of you got that wrong.
I think it's all the effect of all the celebration that I did in the first two questions. I think it has
हाँ,
all
अब वो
like
सारा
jinxed it for me in the
Jinx
next
हो गया है.
celebration. I
थोड़ा
should keep
बचा
it a
के.
little low.
Good,
Yeah.
थोड़ा low key रखो, नजर लग जाती है.
Yeah. I think that's what's
That's good
happening.
for
here.
us, no?
That's good for you guys, but you're still not winning.
Yeah, it's
Point
still
किसी को
2-0,
नहीं.
right? It's still 2 love.
Yes, it's 2-0. Girls?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Question
Ready.
number 5 right here. Next up is कंगना. और मैंने उनसे पूछा कि एक चीज जिसके बिना वो बिल्कुल भी travel नहीं करती. One thing that she cannot travel without. What's your answer? Add that to your wish list right now. Quickly. I mean, love Kangna's airport style. I mean, I love the fact the way she just comes out and glides in her salwar kurtas and sarees and whatever that is. लेकिन ऐसी कौन सी चीज़ है जिसके बिना वो travel नहीं करना
Done.
चाहती?
Done.
Yeah, 1 second.
I wouldn't like
Just
to play
1
here.
second.
मतलब-
Done.
Done. Kinjal is also done. Let's see what your answer is.
I think that sunglasses. I think she would always carry sunglasses as far as I've seen her.
That's a
Stopper.
very good one.
Same sunglasses.
तुम लोग cheating कर रहे हो ना दोनों लोग खड़े होकर?
नहीं कर रहे।
मैं बता रही हूँ।
I have a different answer this time
you
though.
do.
So I've chosen a tote bag because I think it's a travel essential for most of the women because they like
Isn't that
stuffing
like an
up
obvious
most.
thing? Bag तो हर कोई लेकर जाते ही.
Yeah, but I thought she might want it as a travel essential. So.
Okay, let's see what Kangna has to say.
I think a cashmere shawl is always good because I've been to places where it shows sunny and good weather, but it starts to drizzle anytime and it gets a bit chilly. For the airports also it's good. At times in the shoots it gets quite late and a cashmere stole is always good to carry.
She's a smart woman. भाई बढ़ती सर्दी में एक शॉल रखना बहुत जरूरी है. Nobody got that point, but let's move on to the next question. सवाल number 6. Now we would all agree that Kangna is the undeniable style queen of India. I got her to pick between ripped jeans and flared jeans. What is your guess? Now we know that Kangna is also somebody जो बहुत stylish रहती है. हमने ripped jeans का पूरा. You guys have to be on your phone right now. Start looking.
I think
Start looking. Don't waste a minute.
I'm done. I'm done.
Yeah,
You guys are quick.
there were just 2 options, so it didn't really take long.
We're getting the hang of the show.
The hang of the show. तो रजत आपसे शुरू करते हैं. What do you think it is?
So I think Kangana's style is a little tricky. वो कभी भी थोड़ी unpredictable सी हैं. वो airport पे कभी साड़ी में आ जाती हैं और sometimes you get to see the complete rockstar side of her. So this was a little confusing for me personally, but मैं अपने gut feeling के साथ गया हूँ and I've picked flat jeans as my pick.
Interesting. She's definitely somebody who keeps up with the style, so we'll see if that's right.
Mine is ripped jeans.
All right, I love ripped jeans. I think I am not done with ripped jeans. What's your take?
I think I'm neck to neck with Rajat. I have chosen flared jeans because I have seen her and her. I don't know, my answers are so similar. But yeah,
हाँ,
I've
किसी ना
seen
किसी से
her.
तो cheating चल रही है. या तो रजत से चल रही है या इससे चल रही है. कुछ तो हो रहा है.
I have seen her in flared jeans.
You have. But let's find out what Kangna had to say.
Flared these days because we've had our own share of ripped jeans. It's been there for a while now. Ripped needs to go out of fashion.
Yay! Finally, zero account खोल लेंगे. I know. थोड़ा account खोल लेंगे.
Can share.
All right, for Kinjal and Rajat. Woo! आप भी अपना खाता खोल लीजिए. थोड़ा expectations है मेरा. Rajat is definitely doing very well, but Kinjal, अब मेरा सारा hope आपसे है. So let's go with the last question. Are you guys ready for that?
Yes.
Last question.
Yes.
है ना?
Yes.
Okay. सवाल number 7 है that Ileana spilled the beans of what would be her go-to outfit for a date night.
Date night.
What's your guess. Add it to your wish list right now. Clock is ticking very quickly. Ready? Ready?
Ready.
Kinjal is ready.
I hope this gets me the
Arpita?
prize.
1, 2, 3. Ready.
Come on, Arpita.
Rajat.
Done.
Rajat is like,
He's
I am
super
done.
cool.
He's like, मैं खेल भी गिर रहा हूँ. अब मुझे what's with the men here? Like how did you guys come so far? All right, time for us to quickly see the answers. Your answer.
So
Because you're so confident.
I've picked something which is I've picked a cocktail dress, which is something I've heard most. This is just my random conversations that I've had. I've had different women talking about how they love wearing cocktail dresses outside.
तो आप लड़कियों से उनके स्टाइल के बारे में बात
Like yeah, like being around women helps that way. So being a part of such conversations. So I think women do prefer to wear such cocktail.
So happy for you. So good to hear all of that. Fantastic.
So
let's
cocktail
also
dress for me, yeah.
discuss style. आपको क्या लगता है?
Solid flare dress.
Solid flare dress. I know that's very sweet, very cute. Did she do that?
I have chosen the net casual dress, maxi dress, that I would feel she'll be more comfortable in.
मुझे ऐसा क्यों लग रहा है कि आप बात करते हुए भी थोड़ा हिचकिचा से रहे हो?
I know I'm trying to win,
Then why
but
did
I
you
don't
opt
know.
for what you really believe in?
I'm so much scared of Rajat now that oh my
You're
god,
all scared of
I
Rajat
am
right now. But let's hear what Ileana had to say.
Wow, go-to outfit for a date. I think definitely I'd want to look a little alluring. So, you know, maybe a nice cocktail dress, or if I am, maybe a very sharp sort of cool pantsuit.
Yes!
Oh wow! Fantastic.
So I'd like to thank all my female friends at this point because this answer wouldn't have been possible without
अच्छा,
them.
thank you
because
speech
ये-
आप
हाँ,
already
ये
दे
उन
रहे हैं।
सारे conversations का
अरे मैंने winner नहीं
नहीं
announce
ये
किया।
इस आंसर के लिए था ये इलियाना वाले आंसर के लिए था
I thought
just to
full
clarify.
round के लिए तूने अपना thank you speech दे दिया है. अच्छा ठीक है. You can give that thank you speech, but right after I give you the gift. Do you
Okay.
want the gift?
Yes, of course.
So let's
Can't
get
wait.
him that 10,000 Myntra voucher. Big round of applause. Arpita, you look very sad. What do I do? I cried.
sad.
Rajat, this is your check. Come. Collect
so
your
much.
gift voucher from Myntra right here.
Thank you,
10,000
thank you,
का.
thank you. This was much deserved. All the hours of shopping जो मैंने Myntra पे की है, so this is what I get for it. Even as we speak, मैंने already अपने दिमाग में wish list करना चालू कर दिया items को, so that I have absolutely no time to waste once the sale begins.
Business तो
Thank
बहुत
you so
amazing है,
much.
पर आपको realize हो रहा है कि आपकी जीत में मेरा भी हाथ है.
So we can, yeah, we could probably, you know,
हाँ,
share
50-50
this.
है
Yeah,
ना?
yeah, yeah.
हाँ,
We can
why
make an
not?
offer.
But congratulations.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Can we have some more claps?
Thank you. Thank you.
Fantastic, Rajat. इस बिग गेम नाइट पर अब वक्त हो चुका है एक छोटे से ब्रेक का बट बिफोर वी गो देयर लेट मी रिमाइंड यू ऑफ द क्वेश्चन दैट आई हैड आस्क्ड यू गाइस हु आर वाचिंग व्हिच women's wear brand on Myntra is offering the highest discount. Submit your answer with the hashtag EORS on Zoom and submit your answer. Do keep reading the ticker below to see if you won. वैसे बहुत ही simple है इसको आंसर करना. Just log on to Myntra and look for your answer. Hello and welcome back to the big game night और अब वक्त हो चुका है हमारे थर्ड एंड द लास्ट सेगमेंट का और इस सेगमेंट में हम खेलने वाले हैं अ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग गेम जिसका नाम है घूम बराबर घूम. बट लेट मी टेल यू गाइस कि इससे पहले हम आगे बढ़े a new set of participants are right here, so why don't you start introducing yourselves and of course a big round of
ready to
applause.
clap.
Nice, yeah.
You guys are definitely here because of one wacky reason that you guys gave us to shop. तो शुरू करते हैं आपसे.
सो वेल हाय मेरा नाम दर्शन है मैं 24 ईयर का हूँ एंड एमपी से बिलोंग करता हूँ. मैं एक ज्वेलरी बैकग्राउंड से हूँ. मैंने डायमंड ग्रेडिंग करी हुई है. आजकल ये ट्रेंड है ट्विनिंग का, यू नो, हैशटैग ट्विनिंग. So when I see the pictures of Bollywood celebrities, so they have these, you know, couple goals and, you know, hashtag twinning, BFF goals and all. So I was like, let's do this to impress my girl. So I tried to do the same. और मैंने ये hashtag twinning किया.
आप और आपकी गर्लफ्रेंड एक जैसे कपड़े पहनते हैं.
Exactly.
Wow,
So that's my
hashtag
wacky
goals.
reason of shopping.
Fantastic. Let's move on to our second participant.
माय नेम इज़ जहान, आई एम 30 years old और मेरे पास वैकी रीज़न तो है बट बहुत ही लॉजिकल रीज़न भी है टू शॉप। तो कहानी यह है कि मैं जा रही थी एक मीटिंग पर, मैं एक राइटर हूँ, तो बहुत सारी ऐसी फॉर्मल मीटिंग्स होती हैं समटाइम्स विद यू नो बिगीज़। तो आई वॉज ऑन माई वे टू अ मीटिंग और मैं यू नो आई वॉज वेरी क्लोज, मैं पहुँच ही गई थी एंड देन सडनली आई गॉट ऑफ द कार एंड सडनली अ बर्ड pooped on me. My full outfit was ruined. मेरे पास कोई बैकअप नहीं था. I didn't know what to do. Which is when I realized कि देखो accidents can happen anytime. So you have to be prepared. Which is when I went on a shopping spree and I created a backup formal wardrobe. So now whenever I go for a meeting, I have either an extra jacket या मैं कोई extra t-shirt, कोई jeans हमेशा साथ में रखती हूँ. And so I literally have like a second backup wardrobe yeah, in my car. It's amazing.
क्या बात है, कुछ लोगों के पास अपनी खुद की wardrobe नहीं है, यहाँ पर backup wardrobe
मेरे पास दो है.
Fantastic. Let's move on to our third contestant.
हाय, माय नेम इज़ प्रियंका। मेरी उम्र 26 साल है और मैं मुंबई की हूँ। प्रोफेशन से तो मैं एक बिज़नेस डेवलपमेंट मैनेजर हूँ और मेरा वैकी रीज़न ये है शॉपिंग का कि मैं एक हॉस्पिटैलिटी इंडस्ट्री से बिलोंग करती हूँ जो कि सर्विस इंडस्ट्री है, जो कि काफ़ी लोगों के लिए बोरिंग साउंड करती है बट लॉट ऑफ पीपल थिंक इट्स फैंसी बिकॉज वी ऑल वर्क इन होटल्स। बट आई हैव दिस थिंग पर्सनली कि मुझे कलर कोऑर्डिनेटेड रहना बहुत पसंद है। जैसे कि आप आज देख सकते हो मैंने शूज़ और ड्रेस दोनों भी ब्लैक पहने हैं। सो अपार्ट फ्रॉम मेरे जॉब प्रोफेशन और मेरी पर्सनल लाइफ काफ़ी अलग है, तो दोनों को बैलेंस रखने के लिए आई थिंक मिंत्रा एंड शॉपिंग ऑनलाइन इज़ द बेस्ट की। और मेरे काम की वजह से कभी कभी टाइम नहीं मिल पाता है कि मैं फिजिकली मॉल जाऊँ और शॉप करूँ। सो आई थिंक ऑनलाइन शॉपिंग हैज़ हेल्प मी अ लॉट एंड दिस इज़ व्हाट आई डू।
हमारा थर्ड गेम होने वाला है अब शुरू, जिसका नाम है घूम बराबर घूम। नाउ इन दिस गेम लक विल प्ले अ बिग रोल फॉर यू गाइस एंड एज यू कैन सी वी हैव अ स्पिनिंग व्हील। दिस स्पिनिंग व्हील दैट हैज ऑल the fashion categories like that you can see and इसके साथ जब आप एक fashion category select करेंगे, हम आपको एक corresponding picture दिखाएंगे हमारी स्क्रीन पर। उस प्रोडक्ट को आपको आइडेंटिफाई करना है, अपनी मिंत्रा ऐप पे ढूंढना है और अपनी विश लिस्ट में जाकर ऐड करना है। सिंपल,
नॉट बैड
है ना? बट ऑल ऑफ दिस यू हैव टू डू इन 40 seconds.
Amazing.
Oh pressure. And 40 seconds खत्म होते ही हम आपको सुनाएंगे this sound of the buzzer. Recognize this? This means your time's up. So for example, यहाँ पर मेरे पास आती है the footwear category और मैं आपको एक पिक्चर दिखाती हूँ where Sonam Kapoor is wearing her shoes. So you have to go to the wish list and add those shoes to your Myntra wish list. Okay. Each contestant gets 3 chances to spin the wheel. So let's go.
Cool.
Excitement कहाँ है?
Bring it on.
बहुत excitement है.
Fantastic. So who's the first person who's coming up? Priyanka?
Why? ठंडी तो तुम्हें लग रही है।
तेरा वैकी रीजन बहुत अच्छा था।
I like everybody is deciding within themselves.
Strategic planners, I say.
Strategic planners. Let's have you here.
All right.
क्या बात है? We're going to see some interesting stuff happening. Priyanka, go for it. वैसे मैं आप दोनों को बता दूं that all the 2 winners so far have been men. So I'm looking for some female power to come.
No pressure.
Pants! Not that you're wearing one right now, but how excited are you for pants?
I'm super excited.
है ना? चलिए आपको दिखाते हैं the picture for this.
Sure.
Now, why don't you go back to your place quickly and select the same product on your Myntra app.
Sure.
Guys, are you ready?
Okay, yeah.
Your time starts now.
This is very stressful. Yeah, मुझे stress हो रहा है. My heart is pounding. This is like Karan Johar, like call your friend and कुछ network नहीं मिल रहा है.
Okay, I got it. I think this is the one.
Before 40 seconds?
I guess this is the one.
Okay, show us. Super excited. What it is? Oh no! Priyanka!
No.
These are the red pants we wanted. You got checkered pants. So close.
Okay. Oh, I just went for the pattern, I guess. So yeah.
Now you know कि why he wanted you to go first. आप ये दोनों सीखेंगे आपकी गलतियों से. That's the price that you had to pay.
Let's see. The game has begun.
The game has begun. Now let's go with you. Come.
All the best.
So they've given me these heels, no? Okay.
Ready? Jahan, what are you hoping it comes?
I don't know anything. Anything I know.
What do you know? Alright, Jehan, footwear आया है. Excited?
हाँ, अभी चलेगा.
Picture देख लेते हैं, then you can make up your mind. That's your picture.
Interesting.
Alright, are you ready? Have you taken your notes?
सिल्वर कलर लग रहा है कुछ.
सिल्वर लग रहा है. अरे आप दोनों को ना मदद नहीं करनी है.
अच्छा.
सिल्वर और रेड का भी कुछ कॉम्बिनेशन है.
Forget that. Isn't she looking hot?
Yeah.
क्या बात है. Priyanka has different preferences right now.
Don't you think she's looking hot?
Very hot.
Isn't it?
Very amazingly hot.
The clock is ticking, huh? By the way, Jehan. How quick are you gonna be? How quick? Let's. Close, Jehan, but still like a little bit of a miss.
सब same है.
सब same है ना?
Studs भी हैं, wedges भी हैं.
But Jehan, fine. You could have done better. यार मुझसे.
Good try though.
Good try, though, right?
Yeah,
See,
she tried,
Priyanka
she
is
tried.
appreciative of that. And sir.
चलो.
Yeah.
Chale, are you ready?
Mr. Overconfident.
Mr. Overconfident. I
मैंने
like
जोड़ा
how.
घटाया गुणाकार किया अभी देखते हैं क्या होता है.
Oh.
क्या बात है. I love it.
चलो.
Go for it. What do you want?
Spin it.
कुछ चाहिए? मांग ले. आज सब मिलेगा.
खाना चाहिए.
पहले तो जय माता दी और हाँ खाना भी चाहिए. And now let's do this.
तोड़ मत देना बस. Well, what are you hoping for? What are you wishing
Skirts.
कि लड़कियों वाला कुछ ना है. Pants. चलो I guess लड़कों का हो सकता है pants.
for? Pants कर सकते हो. चलो पिक्चर देखनी है.
हाँ.
दिखा दे.
जल्दी से दिखा दो.
जल्दी से दिखा दो. Let's go. Got it?
Okay.
You think you can do it?
Yeah, I can.
Rush back.
Cool.
And your time starts
Wait,
now.
wait.
No. I'm not going to wait. You have to wait. मुझे मेरे गेम में बता रहा है wait. ऐसे नहीं होता यार.
Oh God, my hands are shivering.
Yeah.
Zero में है ना? Release हो गई ना?
Yeah.
आज हो गई release.
हाँ.
आप zero
But
देखने जाओगे?
Darshan, you think she looked hot?
Zero देख लो.
Listen.
I was thinking.
Listen, she's too hot. You're feeling cold, right? Look at her. You'll feel better.
I know. You were just talking about
कुछ मुझे आप
hotness.
देख क्या रहे हो?
But don't you think even she looks like Katrina? Look at her once, yeah.
Do I? How
Yeah.
sweet are you guys, यार? But मैं नहीं देने वाली हूँ voucher.
अरे ये क्या हो रहा है?
World is watching voucher तो
ये
game
क्या
के
हो
लिए
रहा है?
बजाओ buzzer बजाओ.
1,
Guys,
2,
buzzer.
3, 4.
Wait, हो गया.
Calendar खाना दो. I think that should be.
एक ये wish list and all. I don't know how to do this.
उसका ट्यूटोरियल पहले लेना था. Too bad.
I thought you were like this super online shopper. उसका क्या हुआ? Wish list करना भूल गए. Guys, there are things that you need to keep handy, but don't worry. ऐसे इतना भी disappoint होने की जरूरत
I
नहीं
know.
है.
चलो तुम दोनों ने क्या ना इनकी बुरी नजर लगी है actually.
हाँ बिल्कुल. तो हमारे
बिल्कुल बुरी नजर लगी है. Let's move on to our second round, guys. And then सारा गुस्सा यहाँ
Okay,
दिखाते
better
हैं.
luck for all of us.
Better luck for all of
Yeah.
you, Priyanka. Are you ready?
Yes.
Come on here. चलिए. Time to spin the wheels for the second time. What are you hoping for?
Ethnic maybe.
Ethnic चाहिए. क्या बात है? Let's go. What are you hoping for?
Ethnic maybe.
Ethnic.
नहीं आने वाला.
नहीं आने वाला. क्यों?
You never know.
जिसकी नजर खाली होती है ना.
Positive.
कपड़े भी काले होते हैं
Yeah,
ना.
listen, be positive, okay?
That is something. अब पता चलेगा किसकी नजर काली and किसकी नहीं. Do you want to see the picture?
Yes,
my
of
best friend.
course.
Let's look at the picture.
We are best friends forever.
That's बहुत ही carefully देखना. All of this can get tricky sometimes. Have you taken a good look? Have you taken a good look?
Yes.
Priyanka, back to your seat. All right, time starts now. 40 seconds. बहुत ही interesting है. Are you helping or are you trying to not help? क्या चल रहा है यहाँ पर?
I don't know. Am I?
And I guess
कोई strategy है तुम लोगों की
अगर
यहाँ पर?
animal print है ऐसा कुछ सारी animal print ऐसा
You
search
are
करेगी तो निकल
helping,
आएगा.
guys.
I think
I
it's
have
yellow
never
also.
seen even worse participants here. क्या?
Yeah, yellow भी है.
अच्छा.
So ठीक है ना. Helpful participants. We're all.
Oh,
like,
that's what you want to do now?
चलो कुछ भी चलेगा अभी.
कुछ भी चलेगा.
Listen, she's got mad focus, तो इसको कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ रहा है.
इसको बिल्कुल फर्क नहीं पड़ रहा है. प्रियंका ने कभी
Tick, tick,
एग्जाम
five,
दिए होंगे उससे भी ज्यादा.
हम लोग डांस कर सकते हैं. इसको
प्रियंका
कुछ नहीं
टाइम
होगा.
अप होने वाला है.
1. Oh,
And
seriously.
time up.
मैं ऐसे नाच रही हूँ.
I
जैसे
have
मेरे को
Time
राइट
out,
आने
time
वाला
out.
है.
अभी हो गया.
Time's up, Priyanka. I
अभी हो
was
गया.
really hoping you would be able to do this. यार, कितनी close.
नहीं, but
Timer
I
हो गया.
did.
Timer हो गया.
I did.
I know. but I'm sorry, but it's a good lesson to learn, guys.
Okay.
ढूंढना जरूरी है जल्द से जल्द, है ना?
We've not won as yet.
कोई बात नहीं.
I was this close.
You were.
Can you see the fancy sari? It's so difficult to even find something like that.
Listen, you wanted me to find metallic wedges with like ankle straps and ye and wo.
Okay, guys. Wow, I love the competition.
Mintra was like, sorry, I can't find it.
चलिए, Jehan, are you ready now? आपका वक्त. Are you going to be second time lucky?
Toes also. I'll cross my toes also.
Okay. You will.
Ready?
Are we ready?
I don't know. You tell me.
I don't know either.
Spin.
Bring it on.
Bring it on. Confidence के साथ. Let's do it. I know it in my heart that you're going to win.
Smart move.
Smart.
Bags.
Bags? Exciting enough?
I wanted jewelry, but okay.
बोला क्यों नहीं? कोई
ठीक है ना, काली नजर लग जाती है.
उसको मिला था ethnic बोला मिला था.
Hold on, guys. Bags.
Yes.
पिक्चर देखें?
हाँ जी.
जी रही हमारी कंगना is stepping out in all style. Can you see the bag that she's
with
carrying?
a black background. Yeah, very visible.
Okay. Are you helping her?
No, I'm just saying it's not visible.
Okay.
So
ready?
Not black. It's
चलिए वापस आइए अपनी जगह पर.
Once she come here, then we'll do it. Yeah. What are you starting there only?
यहाँ भरे पड़े हैं. Full style discussion होगा. Your time is started.
Glasses though.
1, 2, 3, go.
She's all in a Manikarnika. What is the movie?
Girl power. Help ही कर दीजिए प्रियंका हमको.
But navy blue है वो black नहीं है.
Navy blue है.
Navy blue नहीं उसे teal बोलते हैं, right? Teal color.
Are you talking about the साड़ी?
Yeah.
अच्छा मुझे लगा हम bags के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं.
क्यों वो तो helping होगा.
Jehan is smiling. Looks like she's close.
But you know what? There are different colors in black. I tell you. Look at the color.
Probably. Okay. Jehan, are you ready? All right. Before 40 seconds. Woohoo! Oh,
right?
Black satin bag. You finally got it right.
Shady.
Nice.
Very nice.
That's okay.
1 point. थोड़ी confidence आया.
Hey, get it wrong, huh, please.
Oh. Even if he doesn't, you're still in the lead. With
right
1 point.
now, yes.
Right now, Priyanka, lot of catching up to do. चलिए, आपका number है.
ठीक है, एक सेकंड ना.
चलो. आप तो घर ही चलो.
अभी बहुत दूर तक जाना है.
ये क्या competition चल रहा है यहाँ पर? I love this.
अभी बहुत दूर तक जाना है.
चलो उसी. Do you want something इसमें?
नहीं बस मेरा वो टाइमर खत्म हो जाएगा, वो पता है से फटाफट करता हूँ मैं.
ये टाइमर
अभी टाइमर नहीं है.
You can take your time.
Okay, cool.
Go. What do you want?
Skirts.
Skirts.
Skirts, yeah.
Ethnic dresses.
अरे अब ये साड़ी वारी आएगा again.
Ethnic dresses. Ready to see?
Let's see, yeah.
मुझे nervousness दिख रही है पूरी body language में. Let's see your ethnic.
Okay, ठीक है.
हो जाएगा.
हाँ.
All right, how excited are you to see this picture?
I'm very excited. Though I like this girl, Nusrat. Nusrat, please help me now.
Nusrat is definitely going to help. Blessings आ रही हैं. जाओ, go down to your table.
Okay.
Let's see अगर अब he's able to find it or not. प्रियंका क्या लगता है?
Time start है?
Time start हो चुका है sir. Jehan is like पूरा ऐसे.
देसी हैरी पॉटर तो पूरा गैजेट में घुसा है.
देसी हैरी पॉटर. I love it. But मुझे ऐसा लगता है that Indian is tricky, है ना?
Yes. It's very tricky. I found it that it would have been easy, but
खेलने के बाद पता
चला. Like.
But now, Jehan, do you have another game plan here?
यार ये बहुत ज़्यादा specific है.
हाँ.
You focus. We are letting you focus. See.
Yeah, we're good friends. Very kind to you.
Very
kind because we. No,
Priyanka, you need some strategy now. Tell me your strategy. एक भी point नहीं आया अभी तक.
I know.
क्या करना है?
Looking for jackets.
Jackets now.
Okay.
You think?
Very.
Tell me, what were you thinking when you picked this out? क्या है ये?
See, अभी मुझे ये शरारा और गरारा में ना confusion लग रहा था.
तो ये गरारा है या शरारा है?
So मैंने गरारा डाला था, but अभी ये शायद शरारा है. Something I don't know.
I am very impressed. I have to say you missed a point. लेकिन सिर्फ ये सोचने के मुझे लगा तूने अनारकली या सूट टाइप कुछ डाला होगा. But very close. This was a white sharara that you completely missed out.
I missed out.
But ये slow clap मेरी तरफ से because that was a really good effort. Guys, दो rounds पूरे हो चुके हैं and the only person who's leading right now is Jehan. Big round of applause. वैसे guys बहुत हो गया, तुम लोग को जीतना है. Ultimately, do you realize कि तुम लोग competition में आए हो?
Yeah.
Yes,
खाता
healthy.
खोलना है दोनों को
I know.
and it's possible. Only 1 point is getting led by. Okay. Priyanka, strategy.
Jackets.
Jackets. Aja.
Or maybe bags. I'm okay with bags as well.
All right. Let's go with it.
Okay.
I should cross my fingers that she doesn't get what she wants.
Right. And
manifesting everything that is positive.
अभी अगर ethnic dresses आ जाए तो मजा आ जाए, right? One thing that she definitely doesn't want. लेकिन क्या आने
I'm
वाला है?
okay with anything.
Skirts. दर्शन की choice आपके पास आई है.
वैसे ethnic तो next था.
Next ही था, बच गई आप. तो skirts में, let's show you the picture.
Yes.
Here's the picture.
Oh.
Kareena Kapoor Khan is wearing this very interesting skirt. What do you think? You'll get it right.
Yes.
Get back.
Easy peasy.
Stations bar and your time starts now. Guys, Jahan, बहुत ही close competition है. सिर्फ एक ही point का lead है. क्या करोगे?
कुछ नहीं कर सकती. Hope for the best कर सकती हूँ. For myself.
But Priyanka is my best friend, so any which ways हम दोनों में से जो जीतेगा हम we are going
अच्छा ये
to
तुम लोग
share.
दोस्त आए हो यहाँ पर? या दोस्ती सेट पर आकर होगी?
सेट पे आकर के हो गई.
इतनी थिक दोस्ती सेट पर आ गई. क्या चल क्या रहा है?
दोस्त है ना प्रियंका? Priyanka, are we friends?
She's not.
Is it necessary with the prints? No, right? The prints are not necessary, right?
I can't say. Time is running.
Yeah, okay.
हाँ?
The prints are not necessary, right? Yeah.
मैं हाँ या ना कुछ नहीं बोल सकती. 40 सेकंड होने वाले हैं. You have to trust yourself. Are you ready? Show.
Yes.
Show. All right. Very close. So what were you looking for?
I was looking for what exactly I saw, but wasn't sure that I have to even look for the prints. I mean,
बताया नहीं आपको सही है कि गलत है. Just tell me what were you looking for?
I was looking.
What were you looking for?
I was looking for a black and white pencil high waist skirt.
Pencil high waist skirt. I think you're very close, but do you think कि आपने कहीं कुछ miss किया है?
The polka dots.
The polka dots. That was very important here. You were very, very close. It is a pencil skirt, a high waist pencil skirt. Lekin polka dots were equally important because just how our fashion expert says, they're very in right now. All right, Jahan, यहाँ पर Priyanka is out of the running and you and Darshan are left. लेकिन आप lead कर रहे हो with 1 point. Excited, nervous, more confident. What's happening?
Nervous, yeah, nervous energy. Still, yeah, it makes you perform.
लेकिन एक काम करते हैं because you're already in the lead with 1 point. I'm going to ask Darshan to come and see अगर वो आपको टक्कर देने भी वाले हैं कि नहीं because right now he's with
नहीं full टक्कर
आ जाओ
full टक्कर जोरों से लगेगी
किसको
सामने वाले को
घूम
बराबर घूम
go for it see that's a confidence win मुझे अच्छा लगा ये spin क्या हो रहा है इस पे क्या आया
Center
jewelry
I think it's very close बिल्कुल center में I can't tell कि dresses है कि fashion jewelry है we're gonna spin again
cool
Yeah, let's go for it. एक और चांस मिला है. किस्मत को आवाज दे दो. आपकी सुन रही है कि नहीं?
Dresses.
Okay, cool.
Dresses को I think you're very happy.
No, चलो ठीक है देखते हैं.
चलो, let's take a look at the picture. All right, our favorite Alia Bhatt is wearing this dress and मैं इसके बारे में कुछ ज़्यादा नहीं कह सकती लेकिन
Okay, ठीक है.
कोशिश. Run back.
Wait, huh?
And your time starts now. And Jahan,
I will continue to be peeping Tom.
ये बहुत important है आपके लिए.
I really don't want to disturb him because he's already nervous.
That works for me. Please keep it.
किसकी team Darshan या team Jahan?
The one who wins.
Oh wow. लेकिन Jahan ने जीत गई तो कुछ नहीं मिलने वाला है.
Point.
तो फिर भी promise किया 50%.
It's a healthy. Oh yeah.
40 seconds होने वाले हैं. You have to put your phone up. जैसे ही कुछ मिल जाए, you have to put your phone up.
It's kind of.
He's shaking. All right. Stop shaking. Time is up. Very close and very, very correct. I mean, you couldn't have done better. This.
Now I feel like I made it in life.
Made it in life only. You made it halfway. That is for sure. And halfway तो अब Jahan का काम है.
Okay.
She has to lose this game for you to win, but we hope that she wins. Jahan, what do you want?
I don't know anything that I know.
पता ही नहीं कि जीतना भी है कि हारना है।
नहीं, जीतना तो है, उसमें
अच्छा।
कोई डाउट नहीं है। इसमें कैटेगरीज में क्या चाहिए अभी,
40
भगवान
सेकंड,
भरोसे।
40 सेकंड आपकी जिंदगी बदलने वाले हैं। आर यू रेडी टू गिव दैट 40 सेकंड्स टू दिस गेम शो?
ये शाहरुख खान बोलता तो 40 सेकंड, 40 साल
नहीं है, बट मैं जरूर हूँ। एंड मैं अपने साथ 10,000 रुपए का वाउचर लेकर आती हूँ फ्रॉम मिंत्रा।
आप बेस्ट हो।
मैं बेस्ट हूँ।
या मैं बेस्ट फ्रेंड हूँ।
I like it. I like how I'm suddenly the most favorite person here because मेरे पास है voucher. But for all of this excitement, will you come here now? अब तो करना ही पड़ेगा। अब तो आर का आर और पार का पार करते हैं। चलिए देखते हैं जहान अपना जहान कितना बदलती हैं। Let's go. You're trembling, हाँ? मतलब ऐसे full shivering हो रहा है। Dresses.
Damn, bro.
Not excited? Stay there.
Oh,
Stay there.
yeah, sorry, I have to see
Picture
the
दिखा दे
picture.
आपको. Are you ready for the picture? Okay. Let's take a look at the picture. Kajol is wearing this really stunning piece. Please look at the details. Details are important. Go back. Go back. You're on a tie. Price money आधा लेके जाना है या
चलेगा?
आधा चलेगा ना?
आधा
Sounds
नहीं
good.
चलेगा जहान।
आधा चलेगा।
जीतना है तो ढंग से जीतो। मैं बता रही हूँ 40 सेकंड शुरू हो चुके हैं। दर्शन,
I'm counting the 40 seconds.
आधा भी नहीं मिलेगा अगर वो जीत गई तो।
इसके शोल्डर का जो है वो ज्यादा डिटेलिंग ज्यादा जरूरी है ना?
उसको हारना ही पड़ेगा अगर तुझे आधा भी चाहिए तो।
I know.
You're not understanding. यहाँ पे कोई मैथ नहीं करता यार, करो। प्रियंका,
मुझे पूरा चाहिए ना।
पूरा तो नहीं मिलेगा ना।
Okay.
Tick. Are you ready? Show it to the camera. Are you ready? Oh.
Oof.
But
Just before the time was going to be up, I can see you shivering. But tell us, what were you looking for? I will tell you if it's right or
A
not.
black bodycon midi dress.
And you're absolutely correct. Fantastic, Jahan.
Amazing.
Thank you.
So you've finally done it. I think
Yes.
you were channeling Shah Rukh in me, and
Yes,
that is how
Shahrukh ji.
Shahrukh ji made it
Best.
official best. क्या बात है. Now Jahan, now that you worth this whole voucher worth 10,000 rupees, the voucher is coming your way. Lekin let me tell you guys that you still have a chance to win. Just answer the last and the final question on the game night. Which women's wear brand on Myntra is offering the highest discount? Submit your answer with the hashtag EORS on Zoom and keep reading the ticker to see if you're won. You have to go to the Zoom Facebook page or the Myntra Facebook page and comment below. Fantastic, Jahan!
Thank you. Thank you. I'd like to thank
I
my
know,
mother
right?
and my father.
क्या बात है. Thank you speech हो जाएगी. पहले अपना voucher collect करना चाहेंगे आप?
हाँ जी, बिल्कुल.
10,000 का आपका shopping voucher is coming right here from Myntra. Do you want to come and get it?
Yes.
Woohoo!
Ooh la la.
Woohoo!
I have never been prouder.
I am so proud of you. You're also the first women winner on the show. भाई game night में हमें बहुत ज़रूरत थी female power की and you've done it. I'm so proud.
Even somehow I wanted. You know,
Oh,
इस बार
really?
लड़की जीता.
Achha, that's why you lost purposely. Okay,
Exactly,
I get
He
it.
for she. He for she.
I like it.
Okay.
All this love.
You know what? I'm not sharing.
This is all yours.
Thank you.
Congratulations.
Very well done. That's all from tonight, guys. This was a big game night with some big wins. Merry Christmas to all of you, and do not forget that the Myntra end of reason sale is going live in few hours. Don't forget to shop for you and your loved ones. Have a jolly good season and keep shopping. Woohoo.